It sucks because they say you have to go in and take care of the problem. I'm going. It's such a pain in the ass.
You're losing ground.
I'm gonna go die with Sky Reaper.
Advise you move to the safe zone now.
I'm not gonna die.
I wonder if she picked the right date.
No, that could have been.
No one got sniper ammo?
Negative.
How do I look? How do I look for a sniper? What do I press for sniper ammo?
Tab.
How do I split it?
You just right click on it.
Click.
Just keep clicking it. Right clicking.
Okay, tell this guy can come grab some. I don't have a lot of it.
Large caliber rounds here.
How do I give him more? I need to look at it really quick. I gotta give him some more there.
Large caliber rounds here.
Negative.
That's all I can give
Gas
him.
is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Armor here!
Please.
I'm gonna run over here and look.
Yeah, I only have 2 sniper bullets.
Ooh, there's a
Be
strong
careful. Be careful with this.
There's a cache right here.
The right.
There's a 3-plate armor here. Does anybody need that?
Good loot here.
Someone was bought back just now.
Chloe, get more plates at the box.
I saw a laser go by. I don't know if that was one of you. What did you find, Chloe?
Gas is closing in.
A cache box. There's a 3-plate armor and just over here.
This rocks can be heavy, guys.
Be advised, part of your team is outside the safe zone.
Can't pick that up. Go, I got it. Don't need this anymore.
This is tight.
Moving.
10 remain. You're nearly done.
You know for a fact.
I'm gonna check our tab real quick.
I hear comms. I can't get to the top of this mountain.
Hey, he's checking up there, Ace. Be careful.
Alright. Yep, one down low.
Moving here.
They're calling us out.
Yeah, there's comms over here.
Cracked him. Oh, one on me. Kinda close.
They just called me out.
You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
I'm gonna go mark him, Ace.
I heard
Friendly recon online.
That's
There's
the
one
they
kinda
killed,
close to us, and then there's one.
killed
Oh my god.
See?
Fucking
There's
drowned.
2 of them. 3 of them.
Yeah.
2 of them.
I'm not gonna run for it.
There's 2 up top.
Yes! I see you!
Oh,
you're pretty!
Ooh, peekaboo!
You got gas moving in.
Careful, don't get sniped.
Move to the safe zone.
One, I only have 1 bullet left. We don't have any kill streaks, do we?
Oh, one of those is. I have no gas, man.
Gone
So I
now.
can make a run for it.
Approaching far left. Mark on my head.
Friendly recon active.
Oh my god, there's 2!
Good job, move!
There's another one still, the sniper, the female.
One thing. That's the last one right there. The other 2 on the building right now.
Moving here.
Uh-oh.
She ran.
Chill.
In the gas.
This fucking drone!
Gas
How
is
are they
closing in.
spotting me the whole-
Relocating the safe zone.
Make sure you plate up if you need plates. It says the last people.
Gas is moving.
They ran out the back.
Advise
this
you
way.
head to the safe
Cancel
zone now. There's a lot of ground to cover. You're in the top 5. Bring home the win.
Full armor on them.
There's just 3 of you guys versus 2 people in the building, so let's not fuck this up.
Down low with the sniper, Reaper. Moving with you.
One just
Reloading,
jumped.
reloading.
Win.
Attack me!
Took what was yours and made them pay for it.
Good job.
Oh, I actually won.